So, this is sickle cell disease. Oh, also, I'm Karen, by the way. So basically, it has to do with your blood. And this is the shape of a normal blood cell. And what a normal blood cell does is basically deliver oxygen. So here's my little blood cell delivering oxygen. He's saying, here you go. Oh, and then it delivers oxygen to organs such as the brain. So this is Mr. Red Blood Cell delivering oxygen to the brain. Now, sickle cell disease, basically, it is a disease that turns your red blood cell into this shape. And there's this guy, and he's so confused because, like, why am I built like a crescent moon? You know? This is what is called sickling, which is basically when these blood cells kind of go back and forth into this shape, and it makes the blood cell really weak. Look at him, he's sad and weak. And then it kind of makes the blood cells to be easily destroyed, which is like, oh, like how in the world is, this weak blood cell going to deliver oxygen to organs like the brain? So this is the weak oxygen trying to crawl its way to the brain, and he's like, where's my oxygen? Yeah. So now let's learn something called vaso-occlusion. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a big word. But basically, look at this drawing that I drew. It's like those are your blood vessels, but kind of think of them like straws almost. And in those straws, it's like our blood. So let's kind of look at what this would look like up close. So this is what it normally looks like. Look at those happy blood cells just, walking around in your vessels. So this is what can happen with sickle cell is basically those crescent-shaped cells will kind of like stick together and clump together, which is not good because it can be very painful, and it usually occurs in your hands and feet. So there's my drawing of a girl and her ouchies in her hands. So do that. And then how do you prevent it? You drink lots of water, and then you also have to tell your mom and dad when you're in pain so they can give you like pain medicine or put ice in it or whatever that they have to do to take care of that ouchie. And that is my presentation.